Here's a virtual tour to Nalusuan Island, where we will be snorkeling. This is actually part of an island hopping tour, but I'll just be covering the snorkeling portion of this tour in Nalusuan Island. Apologies for my pronunciation. I probably butchered it, but when I researched this, it's Nalusuan Island. We got picked up from our driver at a hotel early in the morning. The backseat was tight, but I was still excited for our island tour. It was nice seeing new areas of the Philippines, just seeing how everyday people were going about their day. We set sail to Nalusuan Island on the motorboat. It seemed like a DIY type of boat. It was interesting and definitely loud. These were the helpful crew members. That's our lunch. This is our first snorkeling session of the tour. This was actually my first time snorkeling in open water. It was amazing, especially just seeing how clear the water was and the beautiful fishes. Feel free to fast forward through this session or enjoy the unbelievable visuals. I'm okay, yeah, I'm alright. Thank you. Thank you, yeah, it looks cool though. Thank you. Yeah. It was refreshing to see kids off their phones and just enjoying the outdoors. Imagine telling your friends, let's go paddling in the open ocean. Pretty wild. The man in the front literally docked the boat by himself. Putting in work right here. And I still can't believe how clear the water was. There was actually a basketball hoop on the island, and this nice man got me the basketball. If you're a baller, make sure you get your shots up.
Oh, goodness.
This is the walkway to the snorkeling area. It's cool how this was built. You can do a photo session on this walkway if you'd like. I did it for the dating apps. The school of fishes under the docking area is a must. Make sure you check that out. I was swimming towards them, but they swam away from me. Boo. The water being so clear was unbelievable, even clearer in person. The different types of fishes were nice to see. I believe this was one of the snorkeling or island guide person just feeding the fishes. He had the food in his hands and then he would just punch them away. I actually get kicked right here. Just waiting to board our boat to leave Nalusuan Island. We will be heading to Cohagen Island. But before we explore Cohagen Island, we'll be having lunch that was provided by the island tour. I really enjoyed the lunch too.